All right, Ethan is controlling the RC model. Hello, Ethan. Um, Through the first person video image. So notice he can navigate very well, moving pretty quickly. Kids are running around. I told him to get on the couch because I was afraid someone's going to jump on the car, but no banging into the walls or anything so much. And the blue tape on the model is the peel-off kind, and the camera is taped onto the battery, and the battery is taped onto the car. And so it's got its separate battery. It doesn't have to. I could have it wired into the car's battery. I have a harness to do that. Again, he can go pretty much anywhere he wants to without hitting something if he just pays a little bit of attention. So here's what the image looks like when I video through the FPV hood or goggles. Okay, now this is Troy driving, and he's looking at the car, not through the FPV goggle. I've got the goggle with the phone and just went by me. So with just looking at the car, not the FPV, he's hitting everything. I have to add that Troy drove it with the goggles and he didn't hit anything very often. So it's actually easier to drive when you have the goggles on. Okay, here we come for the last lap. And we'll get a little zoom in of the rig. So there's the tape and the little antenna sticking up, and the camera stuck right on top. And camera works pretty good. It's amazing. A whole new dimension.